Hello and welcome to the channel. Jamie here from JP Cars. Today you join me with my new car, the free Ford Fiesta, herein known as Triple F, not to be confused with the pro wrestler Triple H. This car is nearly as battered as Triple H has been in the past because it has been owned by many people. I'm actually the 10th owner. This car I got for absolutely zero. It bounced around my girlfriend's family, from her dad to her mum to her sister. Her sister then left to go to Japan. And then my cousin was like, I need a car. And her first car was therefore this Ford Fiesta, which she had for 4 years, and then decided she wanted to get something a bit better. So she offered it to me for zero. And I was just like, okay. But it is gonna be quite a lot of work because it is a bit tatty. And it's also Cat S, which I found out when I looked at the V5. In the next episode, we're gonna clean this up. But in this episode, I'm gonna show you around the car and show you exactly what is wrong with it, because there's quite a list. And so, starting from the front with the most obvious is the crack here in the number plate. My cousin decided that she wanted to drive into the back of somebody, so yeah, that's pretty battered. And then the bumper is also battered, and it is actually like really badly battered. Yeah, no saving that. Toe eye missing, grille really loose. In fact, the whole bumper is loose. I don't know how it's staying on. We need tyres on the driver's side because they are getting very low. This mirror has seen better days, very better days actually, because it is actually cracked as well. There is a nice dent right in here, in the door. There is a scratch that runs all the way from here, all the way back to, wait a minute, here. And another couple of scratches running along there too. There's also scuffs along this back arch, because as we know, these Ford Fiestas are huge cars on the road. So it's very easily done. And it's all very green. Like most of them do, the badges are absolutely delaminated. Look at that, totally gone. Ooh, I don't know how that one's happened. The bonnet is also a little bit bent. Other wing mirror also destroyed. And then onto my favorite damage on the car, which is this red paint, where my cousin nearly hit my granddad's fence. And then coming down here, you've also got more tape on that one. You have a scratch here, a much bigger scratch with a little bit of red in it from nearly hitting granddad's fence, which comes all the way across here, and also a nice bit of duct tape holding on the rear bumper. But I'm sure that the interior is much better. It's not too bad actually. Now, yes, I have been a little bit harsh on the free Ford Fiesta because the interior actually does bring the value up slightly. Because as you can see, there are suitably stained seats. Someone has excreted, but the rest of it isn't too bad. The radio doesn't work. That is one thing to mention. The speedo kind of works when it wants to. As expected, more staining along all of this cloth because it is 22 years old. A bit more staining on the driver's seat, and of course we cannot get into the back because this is broken. But actually having this broken is a good thing, because if you're buying a first car for your child, you don't want them taking passengers. That adds value. When it starts, it goes into gear. It does drive. It turns. Does it stop? It stops. And one of the redeeming features of this car is that it only needs the coolant topped up every 2 days. So I guess the real question is, what the hell am I going to do with this car? Well, it is Triple F, the free Ford Fiesta. So I want to kind of carry on that theme of zero cost. So I'm going to go and look for anything that I can find to clean this car up for free. So I shall see you in the next episode where I do that, and let's see if I can put a bit of value back into this car. Thank you very much for watching. Please do subscribe if you haven't already. I shall see you in the next one. Cheers, guys.